Why are the forces, why the defense personnel being dragged into all of this? Stay on with us, Pranesh. Let's listen into how the Bharatiya Janata Party is responding to it. We have a reaction coming in from Shehzad Poonawalla. BJP tears into Congress over Pulwama insult.
ये सहयोग नहीं, ये सोचा समझा प्रयोग है। जिस प्रकार से लगातार कांग्रेस पार्टी और इंडी अलायंस भी पाकिस्तान को आतंकवाद पर लगातार क्लीन चिट दिए जा रही है। पहले हमने देखा वोट जिहाद की बात, फिर पाकिस्तान का समर्थन कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए, और उसके बाद जिस प्रकार से 26/11 पर विजय वड़त्तीवार ने क्लीन चिट दिया कसाब को, शशि थरूर ने एंडोर्स किया, उसके बाद पूंछ हमले को स्टंटबाजी कहकर चन्नी जी ने पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट दिया। वो काफी नहीं था तो तेज प्रताप ने भी इसी लाइन पर बात रखी। उसके बाद राजा वड़िंग जो पंजाब कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष है, उन्होंने तो पुलवामा पर पाकिस्तान को माफ कर दिया, एक तरीके से क्लीन चिट दे दी, भारत पर दोष डाला। और अब कांग्रेस के हरियाणा के प्रत्याशी ने भी भारत और भारत के सुरक्षा बलों पर पुलवामा का दोष डाला है। मतलब कि पाकिस्तान को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंच पर कि हम आतंकवाद नहीं करते हैं, ये कहने का कितना बड़ा अवसर कांग्रेस दे रही है। और क्यों दे रही है? क्योंकि कांग्रेस का हाथ पाकिस्तानी आतंकियों के साथ। और
We also have Rishabh on the broadcast. Rishabh, if the identity of these individuals is not revealed and one is only told about the statements like Pulwama is a drama or Khali jagah par bum gira diya, then one may think that these statements are coming in from leaders of Pakistan.
Well, definitely, if you remember, on 26th of February in 2019, when the airstrike in Balakot happened, the ISPR tweeted that photo, DG ISPR tweeted that photo. 3 days later, they said that the planes came in, bombed an area, destroyed some trees. These were the words of the DG ISPR Pakistan. On 29th of February, the DG ISPR handle tweeted that the planes came in from India. They have violated the airspace, but they could not do anything further. Now what this gentleman is saying from Faridabad, that actually is in line with that, and Pakistan, for that matter, will use these statements because it happens with a major political party, someone who is contesting on the ticket of a major political party, and any such statement will not only give more ammunition to Pakistan to showcase that how the whole claim was hollow, but
Absolutely.
also it will demoralize the people who work for India, those pilots who actually took a risk of their life to cross the LOC, bomb the Jaish hideouts in Balakot, came back. Now saying that was all a hollow claim is something that will not only demoralize Indian army but also give ammunition to Pakistan that, see, we said it back in 2019, nothing has happened.
Absolutely. I want to bring in Pradeep Datta very quickly. Pradeep Datta, as an individual who's been part of this party that ruled the country for 70 years, should understand that, the decisions maybe are taken behind closed doors, but the execution happens on ground, whether it's the creation of Bangladesh or whether it was that surgical strike, the retaliatory action, it is executed on ground by the very forces that these people are referring to.
Very unfortunate to see that the oldest party of the country acting as a spokesperson for Pakistan, rightly said by Rishabh, because they had used a statement called eco-terrorism, and they are saying Khali jagah pe bomb giraya. Basically, they are trying to provide handle to Pakistan because Pakistan is trying to tell the world that they are not involved in any kind of terror-related activity. It's an indigenous movement that's going on in Jammu and Kashmir. By giving such statement, they're only providing shot in their arm and trying to further glorify them and further trying to strengthen their statements. So that's what actually they are doing. But the reality is, everybody knows it was Dar of Jaish-e-Mohammed. This is one of the bulkiest ever charges that has been presented in the court, in which it has been clearly mentioned how Masood Azhar, with the help of Pakistan Inter-Service Intelligence and Pakistan Army,
Pradeep, stay on with us. I'm interrupting you there. We have Rohan Gupta of the BJP joining us on the broadcast. Thank you very much. How do you respond to this latest statement coming in from Congress Faridabad candidate who calls Pulwama a drama and the retaliatory action as Khali jagah par bum gira diya?
It is really shocking, and it displays the mindset of Congress party today, that in doing, opposition of Modi government, they are opposing the country. This is really, really a shocking statement from the candidate. And if Congress party believes that this is not the statement by the party, they must do action against this kind of people. See, if you see over a period of time for last 15 days, whether it is Mr. Sam Pitroda or other Congress leaders, you can see their mindset. And I have been saying this for last 1 month now, that they have totally become, as far as the country is concerned, the sentiments of the people don't matter to them. The core value of Congress party of Rashtravat, they have moved away and they have become the extreme leftist party. How can you question this kind of, how can you question our army? How can you disrespect our soldiers, our jawans? So I think they need to draw a line that in search of votes, which they find it very difficult, they are now opposing the country. They are opposing the army. I think this is really shocking, and any silence from
Right.
Congress party on such issues won't be taken positively by the country.
Right. Stay on with us, Mr. Gupta. We also have Arasan Singh joining us on the broadcast. Arasan Singh, another day, another statement, another insult for our forces.
I'm convinced that this is not incidental. If you see the pattern, I mean, there is definitely a design to this whole affair. It is just, playing out in the electoral field. And I have maintained that, right since 26/11, the politics, has got horribly mixed with terrorism. Because those are the vectors that are used by powers that be. So this is absolutely not incidental. Somebody giving a statement from the soil of United States of America, somebody questioning the Pulwama, attack. One thing is very clear that, did we react to Pulwama or not? We did. We did avenge Pulwama.
But that, according to these individuals, is khali jagah par bam girana.
No, then if this gentleman had bothered to witness the proceedings of the parliament in Pakistan, where the railway minister Sheikh Rashid had clearly said that वो ध्वस्त हो गया है, not in these in the words that I am saying, but he had clearly said that Maulana Sahab का जो भी facility था वो destroy हो गया है. He clearly said. So when you don't bother to read, you don't bother to follow, your neighboring countries, then I can only say that, well, you are in cahoots with them.
You're absolutely right. The country against whom the retaliatory action was taken has itself admitted. Their leaders have themselves admitted of the retaliatory action happening on ground. Yet you have these netas talk about Pulwama being a drama and the retaliatory action being khali jagah par bam girana. Thank you very much, Arasan Singh and Rohan Gupta. Earlier it was ex-Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi who mocked the sacrifice of the Indian Air Force personnel in Poonch ambush, calling it a stunt. Even the party's state chief Amrinder Singh Raja Vading has targeted ruling BJP over the recent Poonch terror attack, saying that the Saffron Party can do anything during elections. It was kicked off by former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi, who referred to it as a stunt. Earlier, Maharashtra leader of opposition Vijay Wadettiwar claimed that heroic late Mumbai ATS chief Hemant Karkare, who laid down his life in the 26/11 terror attack, wasn't killed by terrorists. Rather, he was killed by a cop who was close to the RSS. Let's listen to all these remarks made by the Congress leaders.
पुलवामा की अज भी बहुत बड़ी मिस्ट्री है, बहुत बड़ी कहानी है। गवर्नर की कह रहे हैं, तुसी देखे ना पुलवामा में, तो पता नहीं किस मामले की कहानी निकल सकती है। और बीजेपी, मैं पुंछ की गल नहीं कर रहा, बीजेपी चुनाव के दरमियान कुछ भी कर सकती है
कि ये स्टंटबाजी हो रही है, हमले नहीं हो रहे। पिछली बार भी जब इलेक्शन आते हैं तो ऐसे स्टंट खेले जाते हैं और बीजेपी को जिताने का संविधान तैयार किया जाता है। ये तैयार किए हुए सारे पहले से तैयार करके हमले करवाए जाते हैं। ये बीजेपी को जिताने का एक स्टंट होता है, इसमें सच्चाई नहीं होती।
हेमंत करकरे साहेबांचा ती गोळी कसाबच्या बंदुकीतली नव्हती, कुठल्या अतिरेक्यातली नव्हती, तर ती गोळी एका पोलीस अधिकाऱ्यांची होती, RSS समर्पित। त्यावेळेस ते पुरावे लपवणारा देशद्रोही कोण असेल तर तो उज्ज्वल निकम आहे। आणि अशा देशद्रोहाला जर तिकीट भारतीय जनता पक्ष देत असेल तर मात्र हे देशद्रोह्यांना पाठीशी घालणारा पक्ष आहे का, हा प्रश्न येतो.
We'll get you more reactions on this developing story and how the Congress leaders are reacting to it. Pradeep and Rishabh, for the moment, thank you very much for getting us all the inputs. A quick break. With that, news and updates will continue.